How to divide any decimal number by 10, 100 and 1000. So let's take one decimal number and it is, let's say, 127,384 point. So this is 1,27,384.756. Let's say this is our decimal number, 1,27,384.756, and if you have to divide this by 10, okay, it means that 1,27,384.756 divided by 10. Okay, remember, in multiplication we move our decimal point towards the right depending upon the number of zeros. Okay, in this case we'll not move towards the right, but we'll just do opposite what we do in the case of multiplication, that we move decimal point towards the left depending upon the number of zeros we have. In 10 we have 1 0. In 10 we have 1 0. Our decimal point is here. Okay, towards the left count one digit. So if you count one digit towards the left, you are getting 4. Place your decimal point just before 4. So the answer is 12, 7, 3, 8 and point 4, 7, 5, 6. So now your number is 12,738.4756. Okay, take again this number. Let me copy it. Copy and write this all. Control-C, Control-V. Now what you have to do is you have to divide this with by 100. It means that this is 1,27,384.756 divided by 100. Your decimal point is here. In 100, how many zeros you have? We have 2 zeros in 100. So towards the left of this decimal point, count 2 digits, first and second, that is 4 and 8. Place your decimal point just before 8. So your answer will be 1,273.84756. Okay, let's take again this one. Control-C, Control-V. Here. In this case, you have to divide with 1000. It means that 127,384.756 divided by 1000. Okay, your decimal point is here. How many zeros we have in 1000? We have 3 zeros. Count 3 digits towards the left of this decimal point. Count 3 digits. First, that is 4. Second, that is 8. Third, that is 3 itself. So this is 1, 2, 7. Place your decimal point before this 3. 3, 8, 4, 7, 5 and 6. Okay, now I'm just moving it down here. If it was Control-C and Control-V, we have this one. In this case, you have to divide with 10,000. It means that 1, 2, 7, 3, 8, 4, decimal point, 7, 5 and 6, and with 1, 2, 3 and 4. Okay, your decimal point is here. Okay, how many zeros we have in 10,000? We have 4 zeros. Okay, to the left of this decimal point, to the left, starting from the first one, count 4 digits. 1, 2, 3 and 4, that is 7. Place your decimal point just before 7. So this will be 12.7384756. 1, 2, 3, 4. Sorry, we don't need any of this because this is the answer. Okay, so you can observe that with the increasing number of zeros, like in this case we had 10, so 1 0, 100, 2 zeros, 1000, 3 zeros, 10,000, 4 zeros. Your number is the answer that you are getting is actually decreasing, right? Because in this case it was 12,738.4756. In this case it became 1,273.84756. In this case it became 127.384756. In this case it became 12.7384756. It means that depending upon the number of zeros you are dividing any number with, your number will go on decreasing. Okay, it's just a reverse what we get in multiplication. In multiplication our number goes on increasing. Our number becomes larger and larger depending upon the number of zeros you are multiplying that number with. Okay, so now what I want to do is, in this case, let's take same one, Control C and Control V. So now I want to take this as 4. Now place 6 zeros. It means now it is what? It is 1s, 10s, 100, 1000, 10,000. Now you are dividing this number with 10 lakh. You are dividing this number with 10 lakh. So 12738.756. Divide this with 10 lakh. It means 6 zeros. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6, right? 1s, 10s, 100, 1000, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh. So you are dividing this number with 10 lakh. Okay, your decimal point is here. In 10 lakh you have 6 zeros. Count to the left of this decimal point, count 6 digits. First, second, third, fourth, fifth and sixth. Place your decimal point just before this 6th digit, that is 1. So your answer will be, place your decimal point here, then 1, 2, 7, 3, 8, 4, 7, 5 and 6, right? And since there is no digit before decimal point, just place a 0 here. Okay, just place a 0 here. Since we have no digit before 1, so it's better to always place a 0 here. So 0.127384756. Okay, now what if it was Control C, Control V, we have this number here. In this case I'm putting 3 more zeros, 1, 2 and 3, right? So now this is same number, that is 1, 2, 7, 3, 8, 4.7, 5 and 6 is being divided by a number that has 9 zeros, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. Okay, no issues. Our decimal point is here. We have 9 zeros in this case. You can count simply. We have 9 zeros. To the left of this decimal point, count 9 digits. Start. First 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Always begin from the extreme right. Though this is to the left of decimal point, but start from the right of this number. Don't start counting from here. Always count from the extreme right. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. But now you have only 6 digits here and we have to deal with 9 zeros. So what you will do is simply first write these 6 digits, that is if you write these 6 digits, that is 2, 7, 3, 8 and 4, 6 digits. We have to deal with 9 digits because we have 9 zeros. Place 3 zeros here. 6 digits, 3 zeros, if you place, that will cover up, and then put your decimal point here, right? And then this remaining numbers here, 7, 5 and 6. So this will be your answer. Again, you have to move to the left how many times? 9 times. That you have to count 9 digits. But in this case, we have only 6 digits. To compensate that, you simply put those many digits that as 0 that are left. So 6 digits here, you have to put 3 digits. So now this is 0.00027384756. One last example. Let's say it is 0.0023. If this is your number, 0.0023, and you have to divide this with same 9 zeros, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. Okay, it means that it is 0.0023, and if I just copy it, Ctrl C, Ctrl V. Okay, you have 0 nines. Your decimal point is here, right? Okay, now you can see that before the decimal point you have to count 9 digits. You have to count 9 digits. You have to count 9 digits and you have only 1 0 here. It means that just write total 9 zeros, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. These 9 zeros, and place your decimal point here, because you have to count 9 digits to the left of this decimal point. So 1 0 you already have here. Place 8 zeros. These are 8 zeros, right? You place 8 zeros, write 8 zeros and put this decimal point here and write the remaining number, that is this. Don't forget this. This is 0023. Again, to the left of this decimal point you have to count 9 digits. You already have 1 0 here, that is here. Now to compensate that, you have to put 8 zeros. You have to put 8 zeros, write 8 zeros and then put the decimal point here, and this is 0.03. And if you want, you can put like this here. Okay, so this is the about the division of any decimal number with 10, with 100, with 1000. It can be 10,000, it can be lakh, with 10 lakh, then it can be crore, 1 crore, crores and 10 crore. Depending on the number of zeros, you have to do this.